Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to find Facebook's hidden friend list. You can just simply open the Facebook app. I can already open the app, and here you can see the option search icon at the top right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and here you can just simply select the profile that you see the hidden friends. I can select this profile. After selecting the profile, you can just simply tap on friend, and here you can see the friends of other person. This person cannot hide the friends. You can see hidden friends of the persons. You can just simply do the few things. You can just simply go to the menu, and here you can just simply tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings again, and after this you can just simply scroll down, and here you can just simply tap on the how people can find and contact you. You can just simply who can send your friend request or who can see your friend list. You can tap on it, and here you can just simply make them public, and after this you can now tap on save, and here you can see the hidden friend list of the other persons by tapping on this. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.